What's up, YouTube? Uh, this is the second time I recorded this because last time I recorded it, um, my brain capture was too high, so my audio lagged behind. So I'm gonna just pretty much rush through it. This is a video to show off my new, or not new, but my work in progress, which is the video game I'm making. Uh, one is for a German project, the other is for just for fun. It's going to be a massive open world RPG. You can check it out. For the German project, I'll release that, just for fun. There will be cheat codes for it probably, and I will release those on my website, which is here's a link to it in my channel, and I'll just go ahead and show you what it looks like. So this one. I have two. This is for the German project. This might also be for the German project. I didn't like this one, so I started from scratch. This I don't need anymore. So I'm gonna delete that. Anyways, here's what it looks like so far. It's pretty simple because I did it just today, this much. I'm working on a few things, so I have a few kinks to fix and straighten out. For example, here I set the text transparent color to white, and here I have to shut it off because if I don't, the house picture will be cut into 1/3 of its original size. The top and the bottom will be cut off, and the middle will be the only thing left. I'll go ahead and show you that in a little bit. The game where it is right now. Alright. So basically, it starts out down there for some reason. I don't know why. I'd like to change it so that it starts with the camera in this position. That'd be more helpful. Also, this is what I'm talking about, where you see the white here and the white here. That's because I just shut off the transparent white, and I do not know how to save pictures in layers in GIMP. I tried, and I can't figure it out. For some reason, my option to save it as layers is grayed out, which is why I can't do it. So I don't know why that's happening. But as you can see, player position and map position are being printed on the bottom. That is for testing to see earlier on to see if it was if the map actually moves with the player, or if it moves once he reaches a certain point on the screen, which is what I want it to do. So that's what it's doing. The texture in the back, I'll show you that in a little bit. That is zoomed in, and the house is also zoomed in. Little ninja guy here is the only thing in its original size. And if I take this out, like it was earlier, then have it. Where's my... Alright, so as you can see, spawns over in the corner. And that's the problem. The house is cut like that. So, and that's because I set white as a transparent color. For some reason, it cut the whole thing. So if you know what the problem is, please tell me. I'd like to get this fixed. If not, I'll probably figure something out and just take longer. So I am going to fill up this whole area with buildings because this is just for the German project. For the massive open world role-playing game, this map will be a lot bigger and a lot different. I'll probably have it in boxes. I am co-developing it with a group, and probably each box will probably be about this size, so you will actually be able to scroll. Then I'll set it so that your character can now come out of these boundaries. Let's see, can't go past 120y, 498x. So, but it's not hard. It's just logic and time consuming. That's the problem. Go real quick. Let's take a look. Load this up a little bit. like I said, this is just what I've gotten done today. Uh, Code will be a lot longer. Um, and what else was I going to show you? I don't know if that was it for now. But yeah, I haven't added a lot of sprites that I'm going to add. This is just a test for today. Um, here are the other sprites. I have a car sprite sheet that I'm going to use so we can drive around the city in certain areas of the world. Well, actually for the German project, just in that one box that I'm going to have. Here are the houses salvaged from a Pokemon sprite sheet, as you can see. So you don't have to sit there and tell me that it's been Pokemon. I obviously know that. I just do not have a good sprite sheet, so I'm going to use this one. As you can see, 2 pictures I've already cut out. I have a lot more to go. Probably have somebody on my team do that. I was going to use Mario as the main character, but decided not to, because this is an awkward sprite sheet. I'd have to cut him out, and like I said, my colors are already transparent. It's not really in the way I want it to be, so I'll just probably find something else. Plus, I mean, using Mario with a mix of Pokemon houses and like a speed racer car on some random grass background is kind of weird. Here again is a Pokemon sprite sheet. I'm not going to use any other Pokemon, obviously. I might mess around and make a cheat console, which I will have cheat codes on my website. There is a link to my website through my channel. You can go there when the game is completed. I'll put a download link there along with some cheat codes, because there will be a console hidden somewhere in the game. You can find it and type in cheat codes, and maybe I'll let you play as me or something like that. We have a couple good ideas for cheat codes that are pretty funny. But as you can see, I am using this for decorations, so nothing more than that. And cool. Um, I think that is it for now. The German one is a bit more complicated. It's not finished yet. The original German one, I mean. I'll show you the code for that. There's a lot more to it. I was working on this longer, and it's a lot different idea. But I'm not going to use this one. I don't want to. I don't like it as much. So I'm going to use the other one that I started from scratch. Here's the timeline. This is the beginning, like a couple hours ago. This is what it looked like. That's all I had. You can see player position, map position at the bottom. Had no picture for the player. The screen was flashing. You can't see it in this picture because it's a screenshot, but the screen was flashing because I did not have text mode. It's text buffered. You probably have no idea what that means, but and the house is still not cut out or sized. Next stage was this stage. I did have the house blown up and the green background blown up, but the ninja was still normal. And this stage, the ninja is cut out. This is the current stage of the game. I will keep a picture record of the game just in case, it becomes popular in any way whatsoever. Which, obviously I have my hopes, but I don't, chances of that happening are probably not very good. At best, it would probably be a mobile game, and this will be a pretty cool mobile game. I will admit, it will be pretty awesome. If I ever learn to program in Android or I forget what iPhone uses, I guess whatever their iPhone language is, then I will convert this game to mobile. But that's it for now. Please tell me if you saw any errors in the code, or if you know how to fix those problems I pointed out. It'd be really helpful. Thank you.